There are four baby birds in the corner of my porch, the corner of the ceiling, and there's the mama. The bird built a nest on the corner. There are my birdies, my little birdies. That's the mama bird. How you doing? The four baby birds. And this is the corner on the ceiling of my porch. Today is Sunday, July. I think it's July 10th today, or July what?
11.
July 11. It's Saturday, 2010. We just came home from church, and there is the mama bird with her little baby birds. Oh man, I think she's protecting her babies from me.
She gets food.
I think she got some food for them. Oh,
Let's buy a bird food, Dad.
can you imagine the corner of my porch? A bird built her nest, and after a few days came the baby birds. And this is on my porch, and I think Naomi is enjoying looking at the. Where are you? There she is.
Bird food.
Yes. Soon I'm gonna have four little birdies on my porch. There's the mama. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. Look, that's the junior. I'm gonna name these four birdies: Curly, Larry, and Mo, and Ed. See you all, birdies. Well, today is